Here's a great deal on a 2008 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including a power seat, a rear seat entertainment system, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.